Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the basics and acting fast. Unplug and reseat the cable. If possible, swap HDMI for display port or try a different cable to rule out damage. Once done, boot Windows and open display settings to check resolution and refresh rate. Mismatches cause flicker. Make sure drivers aren't blocking changes. Open Device Manager and note your display adapter. These quick actions isolate whether the problem is cable, monitor, or Windows configuration, so you know what to tackle next. Next, you address drivers and power because they're common culprits. Update the GPU driver from Device Manager or install the OEM package. If flicker began after an update, roll back the driver. Once done, disable hardware acceleration in browsers and Office apps to see if software rendering stops the issue. Also, check monitor power. Use the original adapter, avoid extension strips, and test a different outlet. These steps target both software glitches and electrical instability that produce intermittent screen flicker. Finally, you perform advanced troubleshooting and a key fallback. Change the refresh rate to the monitor's native spec in advanced display settings. Mismatched rates often flicker. If flicker continues, boot into safe mode or perform a clean boot to identify third-party software conflicts. As a last resort, reset the monitor to factory defaults or test with another GPU to check hardware. If none of these work, contact the manufacturer. Troubleshooting tip: if flicker appears only during specific apps, reinstall or update that app before.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.